Yay! Team Robot! High five!
Don't do that, you're embarrassing us.
Aww! High five?
I'm not giving you a high five.
You do not like me.
That's not true. Just have some dignity, please. A sense of decorum.
It's okay, Bucket. Even though you do not like me, I like you.
Wonderful. I feel my quality of life improving already.
Yay!
It's not zoomed enough.
I'll try it. Okay, the plan is to stick to the buoys like glue.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, this
I'll
map
think
is
where
huge.
they are.
Takes off the screen.
It's huge. It's part of why I don't like playing Griffin that much, because I have to have the map up a lot in the beginning.
Don't let me down, Bird.
Going to go left.
Did you do Trapper Ping yet?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Come on, Gobi. I see it, but it's far away. Gilbert! I deployed a healing buoy. Gobi found it. Come on, Gobi. People! Look out!
Alright, I see the buoy locations.
The monster
What?
has evolved.
Thing just got nasty.
Headshots.
We can stop this thing together. Lightning incoming!
We shouldn't have fell for that trick.
Monster trash.
Someone got hit. Ready for the fight.
We took the bait.
Gobi! Is anyone wounded? My healing field is ready. Lightning! Healing! Almost gone. My healing field is fully charged. Incoming lightning!
Trying to stay by buoy.
Ready for the fight. Come on,
Wow, the chain lightning actually reached me all the way through the corner.
Oh!
Careful in chase though.
Yep.
You can punish the chase very well.
Would you look at that? Half of himself the gun, like previously, but with a strike. How could this be?
Facts of life.
That's because Terepin is the master. I don't know why we disobeyed.
I got this!
I don't know either.
You know what it looks like? Good. Go.
Guys, I'm going to need to keep my talking to minimum.
Do you have people sleeping?
Yep.
There, Gobi's got it.
For some reason I thought you lived alone.
Mega
You
Man.
mean current time?
Yeah, I thought you had your own place.
Come on, Gobi. I read it.
It's not my place, I was just alone at it.
Kraken going down.
Monster
Horrible
dome.
place.
Ooh.
I think it's a god dome. God dome.
Well, you
God
know.
dome here.
I'm not gonna do the God Dome.
Gobi, come here. Everyone,
Fucking conscience.
this.
The monster has the pounce. At least take the god dome.
Somebody, help!
Ah,
Down.
I didn't get shields.
GTH got it.
Dome deactivated.
Lightning! I can heal you all!
Go away, GTH, please.
Oh! My gyroscope!
Hunter.
Just
Not gonna die! Hit that
Who
Kraken!
deactivated it?
I did.
It's on! Getting ready to zap us!
It was a god though! Come on!
No, come on. It was a bad dome.
Gobi season!
We should have taken it down immediately, really, I think.
Gobi!
I don't know.
Go on, find the monster.
I thought the buoy locations would be okay in there, but...
Going right.
Here, bird.
Evolving again.
The monster has evolved.
It's all grown up, but we can still do this one, team.
Where do we fight him?
Relay shield activated. Relay shield at maximum strength.
Wait, you want us over here?
Healing buoy down!
Target's right out there.
Kraken, let's go!
Range troopers, go!
My healing field is ready!
He is aiming for buoy.
Ran out of shield.
Healing for everyone!
Lightning! Devastating strike and flying lightning!
Monster dome.
Is anyone wounded? My healing field is ready!
I have no shields or mech recharge.
Just Spanish.
I healed everyone! It's making lightning! Wow! My healing field is fully charged!
Hunters win.